how to turn off suggested posts on Instagram permanently. So first is you have to go to your Instagram application and just look for a suggested video or suggested for you post. As you can see here, I have this, and beside that you will see the X mark on the upper right. Just click on X, and now you all the posts from that person will be hidden. Let's say don't suggest posts from that specific person. So why I'm doing this is because Instagram doesn't have any turn off suggested posts on Instagram permanently. If you just want to see posts from the people that you have followed, then on the Instagram you will see the downward arrow there. Just tap on that, and here there are two options, such as your favorites and then the following. So if you click on following, you will only see the posts from the people that you have followed, and you can't see any posts from others or any suggested posts for you. So basically, that is how you turn off suggested posts on Instagram permanently. If it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your Instagram application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.